I wrote this song about an hour before I had massive brain damage, and I'd like to do it for you now. This is a story about the day I died. Body surfing point panic and got caught in the tide. Swept 500 miles out to sea. It took the Coast Guard 4 days to find me. Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm sad. I was deaf here. I never like listen. Now I stay Queens in critical condition. My friend Bernard came in and said, "Where's the mocking? I thought you was dead." I said, "Bernard, do a favor for me. Give my aloha to the people you see, but especially tell Faith Yanagi I love her. Tell Faith Yanagi I need her. Tell Faith Yanagi no go cry and no go out with Miss Funai." Tell Barry Santos I'm sorry I ding this ball, but no worry, no worry. I get can resin underneath my bed, and he can have 'em when I'm dead. Point Panic was unreal, 90 feet and glassy. Woo-hoo. But I look back, and the wave coming at me was so monster, eh? I knew my eggs was headed for that big omelet in the sky. As I was choking underneath the water, I could think of only one thing, air, and then her, my honey. Faith Yanagi, head cheerleader for Taro Memorial High School and secretary-treasurer for the Sweet Sour Inspirations. I helped them with the huli huli plant sale, you know. My heart throbs for her. And in a foaming, merciless sea, I called out to her. Fight for money! Fight for money! I love you! Tell Faith Yanagi I love her. Tell Faith Yanagi I need her. Tell Faith Yanagi no go cry and no go out with Miss Funai.